India is staring at a possible power crisis.
Massive power blackout in India's financial capital, Mumbai.
India's energy story is shifting. We now stand at the cusp of a renewable era. As of the end of 2024, more than 25,202 public EV charging stations have been installed across India. And projections show this could rise to around 375,000 charging points by 2030. This is significant because the way we generate power, the way we use vehicles, the way we manage waste and materials, all of this is evolving. We are VRC Industry, a freshly registered company born out of ambition, dedication, and vision, driven by one belief that every scrap piece, every watt generated from the sun, every electric vehicle that plugs in, carries value. At VRC Industry, we operate across 3 connected verticals: metal and scrap auctions, EV charging station infrastructure, solar panel installation. Each one is tied to a single, shared purpose: to generate power, renew resources, and empower tomorrow. First, metal and scrap auctions. We source, we auction. We move materials that would otherwise lie idle. By giving life to scrap, we reduce waste, recover value, and participate in circular economies. Second, EV charging station infrastructure.
A lot of companies shifted their focus to electric vehicles or EVs and its future in the Indian market.
Nowadays, electric mobility is gaining good momentum in the country, and it will be an important tool to develop pollution-free transport. There is no benefit again in producing coal-based electricity. Our focus is on the generation of electricity, primarily using renewable energy sources such as solar, tidal, wind, and biomass.
Electric vehicles have gained unprecedented traction in recent years, promising a cleaner, more sustainable future for transportation.
आज भारत में इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल का बाजार जितनी तेजी से बड़ा हो रहा है, कुछ साल पहले तक उसकी कल्पना भी नहीं होती।
For most countries, EV is seen as the future of driving.
We are building the supporting grid. In India, public EV charging infrastructure is still emerging, and that's our opportunity.
2- and 3-wheelers, 40% of buses and 30% of cars in India will be EVs. There will be at least one charging station present every 3 kilometers and at every 25 kilometers on highways.
The market for EV charging infrastructure in India grew. In 2024, the market was valued at around $443 million and is set to hit approximately $1,901 million by 2030. The number of public stations continues to increase rapidly. Third, solar panel installation.
Definition, we must move to renewable energy. I think
लगता है कि by 2030 देश के बहुत सारे लोग सोलर पावर को अपनाएंगे, अडॉप्ट करेंगे.
That the next 100 villages in India that will be electrified will be electrified by solar and not the grid.
we only need about 100 miles by 100 miles of solar panels. It's part of the entire United States.
The mix of what we've been adding, we've obviously been adding solar at a very fast pace.
Here, we commit to renewables at a local level. We design, install, and deploy solar power systems, helping homes and businesses tap into the sun. At first glance, it might seem like 3 diverse fields: scrap auctions, EV station infrastructure, and solar installation. But they are connected. They are about power generation, resource recovery, renewable future.